So hi, hello everyone. Just today we are going to be learn something like concave layers, the simplest way and easy hair and sectioning also is very easy to be. Top box section is almost going to be separated, and just we're going to be take side sections as well. And this haircut only three section is major roles to be performed, which is completely with a give a haircut, good things and fresher guys, and it will already who wants to be experiment something different haircuts, and this is if you want to be practice, this is one of the easiest haircuts. This is also one of them in a haircut basis. So this is concept is it will be concave layers is major concern. It will be creating more layers and just from length also, and just saving the length and just coming out to the more bouncier layer, and there is no tail in the bottoms, and it will be completely it will be hanging out with something bouncy look on that messy and voluminous look you can just see after the haircut. So both side it will be sections are separated with a side by side, and just we're going to be start to the back portions up to the one length basic. So that to be very easy to do haircuts, and also this is one of the best techniques, and just three steps you can just separate to the three sections completely. Back portions you can just directly take to the bottom one length and just one length haircut is most probably it's very much important. Why? Because top of that we're just going to be create the layering. So that is the main concern to be. And definitely will be coming back with the different subjects again, and just try to be bring up to the models as well, and just lifting up and just checking to that overall the section just very clear. The bottom length you can just take to the lift up to the 180-degree angle, and just rest of the hair cut. That's it. The axis of the hair whatever is comes just cut. So that easy the haircut. So you must learn this is the way. It's one of the three instructions are pretty much easy to understand the haircut. Lift the hair completely to the 180-degree, and rest of the hair whatever is comes to the hair you can just cut, and just only the concern the guideline where you can just get the bottom like one length haircut whatever you done, that is going to carry forward as a guideline traveling purpose. So almost the vertical sections we done was complete. So that easy the haircut where you can just do, and whenever you can just do at any of haircuts, it's elevations which is can carry forward for it. You can just long. So that simple in the haircuts means you can just learn about pretty much easiest way this haircuts. So one more two sections are still kept pending, and just it will be going to be finish it up. So we're coming back to the side basis section. Same thing, we can just lifting up to the 180-degree and rest of the hair cut. So another side we can just same technique we are going to be follow. You can just see rest of the hair cut. And now we come to the crown portions. This in this it will be going to be carry just 90-degree. Why? Because this is a crown section. It's almost we no need to do any of over direction or elevations too much to be. So just taking to the center profile, and just previous guideline should be the crown part, and just lifting up to them and just reconnecting to the box section, and rest of the hair cut. So that easy the haircut. Whichever you haircut you may can just do, that's so simple. almost is going to be, sections are going to finish. So that's simple, the haircut is almost cut was done, and just shaking up to the layers, you can just see completely to the look and ambience. You can just see a lot of layers on the hair, and movement also you can just very flexible on the layers. So whenever will be movement, you can just see lot more layers. Whenever we shaking up, we can just front part also you can just see completely how it will be shaped to the layers and all. Root should blow dry. Hope so you guys all understand about this haircut video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do share with your friends. We'll be coming up to the next video, something different, and keep the haircut is completely finished. I hope so you all are enjoyed this video. Thankfully we'll be meet up to the next video. Until, be safe and take care.